Brooklyn bound and train via the 2nd Avenue line. The next stop is 86th Street. This is 86th Street. Transfer to the M86 Select Bus Service. This is a Brooklyn bound and train via the 2nd Avenue line. The next stop is 72nd Street. This is 72nd Street. Transfer is available to the M15 Select Bus Service. This is a Brooklyn bound and train via the 2nd Avenue line. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. This is Lexington Avenue, 63rd Street. Transfer is available to the F train.
A free transfer is available to the 4, 5, 6, N, R, and W trains by walking to the Lexington Avenue 59th Street station and using your Metro card.
This is a Brooklyn bound and train via the 2nd Avenue line. The next stop is 57th Street, 7th Avenue.